Hi guys, good evening. So there are certain queries that certain people have consolidated. I've asked them to consolidate all their doubts, everything into one single what you call questionnaire kind of thing. So it's regarding Binance app and Wazrix app. Okay, it's related to cryptos. Well, before I continue, I just wanted to show you one particular document. Mm, it's related to crypto, so released by Indian government. I just wanted you people to have a look on it. I'll just share it to you. Just hold a sec. Sort by today's date, latest date first. Okay, so the document is named related to regulations of official digital currency bill 2019, banning of cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currency bill 2019 by Indian government. Okay, so this I would like to jump into quickly to this page number, yeah, page number 15. Okay, in this I just want you people to have some I just want to emphasize certain points. Just look at this. The second schedule in the section 26 related to amendment of certain enactments related to what you call like prevention of money laundering act. So there are certain amendments that Indian government they're trying to what you call bring it into act. They just wanted to amend certain acts with respect to money laundering. Okay, so there are it has got involvement, I mean it has got involvement of like the concept of offenses when it comes to cryptocurrency and how to regularize that digital currency. So there is certain new bill which is being inserted. So it hasn't been approved yet by the Parliament of India. Like we'll get it into we'll get a new official gazette related to this in coming years positively. So it speaks about the offences under the banning of cryptocurrency and regulations of official digital currency act 2019. The act name itself is this one they have proposed. So it all speaks about there are three specific sections which I want to emphasize to you people. It's related to what exactly the kinds of offences. Okay, so it all the first one, section 8.1 speaks about whoever directly or indirectly mines, generates, holds, sells, deals in or in transfers. So you can simply see this. I'll just you can take a screenshot of this. You just have a look into this. So what I'll give you a brief intro of it. What it says is like government don't want to control, like government don't want to allow people to take the advantage of cryptocurrencies when it comes in place of regular original currency, which is nothing but Indian rupee, official currency of Indian country. For in my case, since I'm being an Indian, so my currency, official currency is Indian currency, so rupee, it's in rupee. So when it comes to other cases, like it will be USD, and in some cases it would be pounds in some countries. So there are multiple currencies. So like Indian government, they don't have any control regarding this cryptos. They don't even have any information related to the source of cryptos, and the source of cryptos is such encrypted in a high level that even the encrypted data can't be traced out even by the exchanges. So that's the main hidden what do you call hidden myth, be it a myth or it's a fact, I don't know. But that was being promulgated by many people, saying that the reason behind opposing this cryptocurrency by majority of countries is due to its high encryption and unreliable source of data, like unreliable data with respect to the source of this origin of funding. Like it could be it like this source, entire source can be either from anti, can be used either for anti-social elements, or it could be something like any anti human like terrorist kind of activities kind of thing. There could be some funding from them, or there could be some other unwanted kind of sources also, untraceable sources also. So they don't want, since government doesn't have it officially, so they are opposing it. So this bill, if it comes to what you call approval from our Indian government, then it would be a bigger blow to cryptocurrency when it comes to Indian people. So okay, this is about the disclaimer, because I just want to give a disclaimer to the viewers of my video. See, cryptocurrency, everyone are saying that this is going to be multi-millionaire thing, this, that, that. Okay, so forget about all those, but be cautious when it comes to cryptocurrencies. There are certain catches, so it is not advisable for you to go aggressively into cryptocurrency. But still, having said that, when there is an opportunity, it is a worth a trial to be part of that success journey of new era which is going to take place. And remember guys, this is 2021, and we are into a new torchlight kind of decade. We are turning it out from 1920 to 2021, somewhere around every 100 years there will be a new torchlight, new kind of generations startups, new kind of evolution, new kind of technology evolves, and new kind of life changes, everything evolves for every 100 years. So this is the torchlight year, which I presume myself personally, I don't know about others, but I presume that this will be the new generation, the new era of humankind. So where in which the most valuable thing in previous era is money. When it comes to now, the most valuable thing will be your health when it comes to this upcoming next 100 years. Okay, so let us quickly jump into the questionnaire. We have got certain informations, like there are certain questions which were pumped up to me, so I'll just quickly jump into Binance app. Okay, so it's related. Let us first quickly cover all the points with respect to Binance app, then we'll move into Wazrix. Okay, now the Binance app, let me just open it out. So this is how it completely looks it out when you open your Binance app on your mobile. Okay, so like I have shared in my earlier video, there is one process where you can add funds into Binance. I'll just show you what. To buy, see, like a typical bank account or an trading account in Indian, what do you call, brokers accounts, I mean demat account kind of thing. Binance has got different features, like you can't simply deposit your INR and buy any I mean into a Binance app. You have to buy either of one renowned currency. Like when it comes to you have to go to P2P first, go to wallets, press P2P and just P2P trading, and select whatever you want to buy it. So if, in this case, if you want to buy BTC, so these are the only currencies which they have enabled, so that you can pump in your funds into Binance app. Okay, so if you want, if you are from India, select INR. Just on the top right side you can select INR. If not, if you are from other countries, you can select USD. If you have got other source of incomes from other countries, you can add it up. Pardon me. So now there will be different suppliers, like these people will sell it. Like for instance, if I want to buy USDT, so there are these super traders, one guy who is offering at 83.25. There is Manu who is offering at 83.5. It all depends upon the sellers, and it all depends upon at what price you just want to enter into that market price. Okay, so for this case, Dalip is offering it at 84 rupees. Okay, INR. But still there is a catch. See, so at 83.5, this super trader is offering that and he's saying that minimum worth of money you have to buy it is 2 lakh. When it comes to Manu, he's saying 1 lakh. When it comes to Dalip, he's saying 10,000 is enough, guy boys. You pay me 10,000, I'll give you at 84 rupees. So it's all what you call, like the demand and the supply kind of thing. So the more emergency, the more urgent you want it, you can take what you call affordability. It's all your affordabilities. So if I can afford it for 2 lakh, I'll get it at a cheaper price. If I can't afford it at that price, Certainly, if I can't put 2 lakh investment right now, I would go certainly for 10,000 or 9,800. I'll just search out for other opportunities, right? So here in this case, we have seen 10,000. Now it has come down from a Nix, from a person called Nix, who has currently offering it at 5,000 rupees with 84, whereas the price has increased. See, the price has increased now. The reason behind, he is offering it at higher price than this guy super trader, but there is a catch that super trader for to get at 83.25 you need to spend out 2 lakhs, but when it comes to the Nix, where is that guy? Yeah, he is offering it at 84.25, 84.2. So it is almost all 1 rupee variance, whereas here it is enough for you to spend only 5,000 bucks. Okay, so it all depends upon your requirements and your necessity. Okay, so to add funds, you just click the buy. For instance, I'll just go with this guy, Crypto Sync. Okay, I'll just buy. So he is saying that 5,000 I have to minimum enter it. So I'll put 5,000. So he is saying that if I pay 5,000 to this guy, he'll allot me 59.41 USDT. Okay, the moment I click buy USDT, so this offer will be very much valid for very seconds, guys. You need to keep on refreshing that page, because it keeps on refreshing for every 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. The prices moves on. So when you face any error, that means that offer has been gone. So you have to again come back and you have to select another guy who is offering at better price or a higher price due to demand and supply. So here in this case, this entire transaction validity time is 30 minutes. Okay, now I have to pay this guy 5,000 rupees. Okay, I have to pay him 5,000 rupees. Now the payment methods, remember guys, this entire thing is for Indian traders. When it comes to other guys, you will have the same thing. Only thing which changes is the currency. Here rupee symbol we are seeing. In other cases it could be like pounds, or it could be USDs. The same thing, the same process flow, but only thing which changes is your currency. Okay, the payment method we will get it. So you have this UPI ID. You can pay the UPI ID also. Okay, the moment when you transfer it, you open your Paytm or your Phone Pay or Google Pay, Indian guys, and you pay that using this UPI ID. You have your UPI ID. After your transfer, you just click this transfer next, and then there is a pop-up comes up into the seller's mobile. So he need to accept it. So for all this cycle to close it up, it takes approximately 30 minutes. Okay, so if something goes wrong or something goes what you call technical issues comes up, after 30 minutes your funds will be reverted back to your UPI ID source generation. So no need to worry about it. Okay, so this is about how to add funds in Binance. Okay, now after adding, there is second question called after adding funds, how to buy cryptos. Okay, now coming to USDT, you have assumed that you have bought some USDT. Okay, for this case I'll just cancel this transaction since I don't require, I can't fund it now. Okay, assume that you have got some funds in your spot. Now after you before I go into that, after you do this P2P, you will go for an overview and you will find your funds available over here, guys. You will have different, whether you have added it to P2P. If you had added into P2P, it would have shown in your overview account. You go to your overview, you will have this total value of your portfolio, in which section you have added. So in this case we have added into P2P, right? So the moment when you added P2P, you need to go to transfer overview and then click transfer, and from there you need to select P2P, from P2P to spot wallet. Okay, so in this case I have selected USDT, right? So I'll select USDT. Here available balance is showing 0. So in your case, what happens, the moment when you added funds, what it shows, the available USDT. In our earlier few minutes back, you have seen some 54 something he'll allot it, right? That will be reflected over here. So it all depends. If you want to transfer entire P2P wallet to spot wallet, then you can transfer it. This is how you transfer funds from P2P to wallet or margin or futures, anything, any other segments. Okay, so but to have a to buy a crypto, you need to transfer funds from either of P2P or margin or future to spot. Remember this, to spot. You have to transfer it to spot. After you transfer it to spot, it all shows like this. Like see, for instance, I have got Doji, I have got USDT, I have got BNB also. So I'll just go to Doji. See, it's all there. Okay, so the moment when you give it like this, After converting it to spot, all the transfers, now go to home, now click trades, come back, click to trades. Okay, now you will see here convert your coins, spot, margin, fiat, p2p. Okay, now you can do it right away from here, p2p to p2p, or you can go to wallet and add your funds also there. The other thing you can do is like when you want to buy cryptos, you go to spot and you sell it. Like for instance, I have bought what you call USDT, right? So I'll go to fiat. Fiat is nothing but currencies. Okay, USDT I have selected. Okay, now I just want to buy some crypto called BTC, which is nothing but Bitcoin, which is very famous. Okay, and now I have selected BTC oblique USDT, which means one USDT, some quantity of USDT has to be given from our end to get one BTC, one Bitcoin. So the moment when I click BTC from the spot BTC USDT, so it shows us like buy limit order is nothing but it's like generic trading account, guys. Don't, it has got nothing other than your generic trading account. So you need to select this value which you want to buy it. You can see on the right side part there are upper side are selling price and the lower part are buying bidding. Upper side are what you call ask, and lower part are bidding. So buyers are saying that I want to buy it at 90 59 940 something around, and sellers are saying we'll sell it at this price. So you can keep on searching for that price. So if you assume that 54 949, or I'll say okay, I'll say 54 900, I just want it at 54 900 USD, which is nothing but nearly how much it is, 40 lakh 99,625 rupees INR. Okay, now you will find your available balance over here, guys. Remember, this is the area it will show clearly your available balance in USD, and this will be showing only if you do that P2P to spot transfer transaction. You have to transfer that into spot, then only it will appear here. If you transfer it to margin, then it will show in margin account. So spot, you have to do this. Now if you want to add some USDT, so I'll say 0.007 I want to add it. So it is not allowing me. So why it is not allowing me 0.007? So it is saying that minimum I have to shed something around like this. So what I'll do, I'll say 100%. I assume that I have got some 10-15. I'll say 20-50% I'll put it. So you select 50%. Now if you don't want to give that 50% kind of thing, you want to go with 10 USDT. Okay, now put it 10. You'll have point not 181 worth of BTC, Bitcoin currency, right? Okay, so now after this you click the buy ITC, buy BTC, sorry. So here it is showing order file, the reason behind due to insufficient funds, you all know that. So the moment when you click that, your open order will be showing over here. The moment it triggers, it will be converted into your order history. In your order history you will find it out, your purchased things. Okay, so this is about how you buy cryptos, be it BTC or be it any other cryptos like Doji, anything by using your USDT. Okay, same is the case with BUSD or AUD or BRL or INR or UR, euro, I mean pounds. Okay, so okay, now let me just go back to the third point. Third question is like, make trend lines in Binance. Well, nice question. So I just go with BTC oblique USDT. Okay, guys, this is the chart which Binance is giving it. It is very much attractive, very much excellent kind of what you call like display it has got. So what I'll do, you are asking for a trend lines kind of thing, right? So I'll just do one thing. I would go, so before I go that, this is the default chart. So I would go onto this part and I'll select the settings, and I have to change it to trading view if I'm not wrong. Okay, do we have that? Okay, this is, well guys, this trend line kind of things you can't do it on mobile app, I presume. So you can do it simply in your what you call like on your desktop in what you call Binance app, using desktop mode of Binance. There you can go and in the settings you can change that what you call chart type into trading view, and you can simply use the trading view options like using trend lines or using any kind of harmonic patterns, any kind of patterns like using channels. Okay, so that's about the third point. And the fourth point is spot trading and margin trading. I presume that I have already explained this trade spot trading. This is nothing but spot trading. When it comes to margin trading, margin, remember guys, this is very much dangerous, very much risky. Okay, so the moment I'll say margin trade, I would go and I'll transfer from my PP to P2P wallet. Suppose you have transferred it to what you call say like other area, say like some other area. So I will select USDT. Okay, so I have got some USDT, or I would say BNB. Okay, I have got pool or pay P2P wallet. BNB is not there. Okay, cross margin. So say like BNB, it's not BNB, it's USDT. Okay, what about Doji I haven't got. Okay, USDT. Okay, you can see the available balance point, not something, some penny amount, some 1 rupee or 2 rupees, something worth of it converts into the decimals part. Okay, so here you need to transfer from your spot like P2P wallet to spot. If you are transferred to spot, there is no issue. You can simply go to margin. If you had transferred it to fiat or any other cases, you can if you haven't transferred it, you can simply directly transfer from P2P to margin also. Okay, from in this case I would actually select the available USDT. Okay, see, from spot to USDT. The moment I click here on USDT, I would say spot to USDT, I'll transfer it. I'll say maximum. So the moment I click transfer, yes, transfer has been successful. Earlier it is 0 here in USDT. Now it is showing me how much point not 7. Okay, so the moment I'll say 100%, I'll say win. Let me take win. Let us see what it shows me. Okay, I would say this price at 10 paisa. Let me just buy it out. So the moment what it has shown me, the total order amount should be greater than 10. So I can't buy minimum 5 or 10. I should be buying minimum 10, I believe. It should be below this 10 USDT if I'm not wrong. Okay, so this is the process basically. This is about how you buy in margin trading. Okay, now when it comes to convert coins, guys, there is option called convert over here. You can select any of your coins. Okay, USDT, into which coin I want to convert it over. Say like Doji, let me just very much famous, or BTC. Okay, Doji coin, confirm. So from the USD I have some amount max, I'll convert it to Doji, like for instance. Okay, let me just go to my margin. I have actually selected this, right? So what I would do, I would select it, I'll transfer my to spot. I'll go to convert. Okay, USD Ethereum. Okay, let me select it Doji. Okay, Doji. Okay, so this entire process is same for what you call converting your coins. Okay, any coins from any currency. Okay, I want to convert it. Now see your preview conversion. So the moment when I press max and I press this preview conversion, it would pop me if I don't have minimum 10 USDT, I can't convert any coin. Okay, for instance of any coin of USDT, Binance app is saying that. Okay, so unless until I have this 10, the moment I say 10 and I click preview conversion, it failed to get code. The reason why, because I have got availability balance of 0.007, not 10 USDT. Unless until I have 10 USDT, I can't convert any coin. So this is how you convert coin. And someone has asked whether it costs something. Sorry boss, it doesn't cost anything. It is free. It is absolutely free. Okay, what is the real-time purchase cost? I have been tracing out all my transaction in an Excel. I can't see the real transaction. Sorry guys, the moment when you open this entire trades option from home, the moment you click this trades option, just pull your screen down, you will see open orders. Okay, you will see open orders. Let me just go to futures. I've got some open order. See it here. This is my open order. I've got an open order here, right? So it has been there is no nothing like there is no open order. I have got on my open order and my strike price and my quantity price when I have taken it, what is my buy price and what is the break even price also, it shows me clearly. And I can simply click this settle and I will close my position also. I can close my position also. Okay, so this is how you check your real-time purchase cost. Okay, uh, and there is one typical question I've seen: what are the pros and cons of Wazrix and Binance app? Guys, what kind of question is this? Seriously. So if you ask me what are the pros and cons, instead of asking me, you could simply Google it and right. So I'll just skip that question. You can just Google what are the pros and cons, because in Google there are much more articles and there are much more pros who can simply give you the pros and cons of Wazrix and Binance. Okay, and someone has asked me, would you prefer BTC or USDT? That's a good call, but in fact, since BTC is much more volatile, I would preferably go with USD. Okay, guys, I would preferably go with USD, because having all coins against USD is possible when it comes to BTC. That cross trading apps, I would personally, my feeling, I would go with USD. So it's all up to you. You can go with BTC also. Okay. Now the coming to the last question of ninth one, which coin do you prefer hypothetically for a period of approximately 9 to 7 to 10 a year? Well, to be precise, I have actually given a disclaimer to you people before I start this video. It's about Indian government and their decisions, and it all depends upon the other countries' governments whether they accept it or not. We don't know what is the future of this cryptocurrency. Now, if we without having any clear cut, what do you call clarity about the future of cryptocurrency in Indian government, or by in India, or be it in any other countries like US or UAE or Emirates, or be it in UK. So we can't comment simply at this point of time saying that crypto is very much good. Okay, go ahead. But still, see, you can actually give it a gamble trade by just giving some part of your riskable portion of your money, right? I don't think there would be any loss in that. I would say for a guy with a capital of 1 lakh, I would say at least, okay, Baba, you just go with 10% of your capital and invest it 10,000. Forget about it. I'll show you my Wazrix account also, so that you will have a better more understanding why I'm saying that. Okay. So now this is about Binance app. Now let me just quickly switch to Wazrix. Now, Wazrix is purely an Indian-based what you call cryptocurrency agency exchange. This, thankfully, I should convey my wholehearted thanks to Mr. Mortal Cobra. I will not reveal his original name due to privacy issues, but Mortal Cobra, his Telegram name. So I have been fortunate enough to meet him and know about crypto. Well, Wazrix is one thing which I presume I would be the first guy. Aha. Sorry for that. I actually reveal my account this thing. No issues. There should not be an issue. I can go ahead. Anyone can see it. There is nothing wrong in that. Okay, this is about Wazrix. So let us go to markets. It's very simple, guys. Wazrix, I would prefer personally. I am doing in Wazrix itself. Okay, you will have all the settings, all the kind of trade reports, everything you can see it over here. All the security issues, everything. You can even invite and you can do everything. Okay, so the Wazrix, you will see I've got certain favorites also ticked up over here. You can see the order history. Simply you can see the order history I've got. Okay, see, this is my portfolio, current portfolio, And there are certain guys who are very much what do you call, like I've said, I'll show you my portfolio, what I've done so far in cryptos. See, I have deposited on Jan 2nd, I've deposited some 10,000. On Jan 3rd, I've deposited another 5,000, and I've drawn in less than a month, I guess, nearly month, more than a month, I guess, sorry, more than a month and 10 days, I have withdrawn something around 24,000, something like 1.2 120% of my capital. Okay, so that's including my capital, I'll say. So I've left all the balance portion, which is somewhere around 8,800, something like that, during that time. So it was currently at 19,000, and these are my positions for you guys. And my orders, which I've kept it. Some might feel very awkward thing. See, guy, boss, why you have kept 10 lakhs win and 1 lakh 33 run? Why PTT 4 lakhs? Why ATC 9 lakhs? Okay, less. It's crypto world, guys. Crypto has got this multifold kind of what do you call? Though it, see, cryptos clearly goes with TA. TA works perfectly, absolutely great on what you call cryptos. Unlike stock markets, cryptos will purely work out with technical analysis. That's it. Technical analysis, price action technical analysis would work like hell on cryptos. Believe me, just test it yourself. Okay, so now let us go quickly with adding funds. So the moment when you open your Wazrix, I have given description, in my description, Wazrix invite option also. If someone requires you, they can open it. If not, you can even ask other people, you can take others help also. It is not mandatory that you need to open my through my invite. Okay, so it's all up to you. So the moment when you open your Wazrix account, you need to do some KYC parts, which is like you need to give your Aadhaar, PAN, and then your bank account has to be approved. All the process, after bypassing all those processes, you will go to funds option. Okay, the moment when you go to funds option, it will ask your currency. You need to select your currency. I have selected INR, since I have been into Indian nation. I am from India, so I have selected in INR. Okay, now go back, just click INR. Here you will have this deposit option. Okay, guys, earlier there used to be a different processes for this entire deposit thing. You can simply do it and it would be instantly. Now it has been changed. I don't know, due to some government restrictions, or it could be Wazrix own issues. I don't know exactly why they have changed it, but the current process is like instant deposit. NEFT or RTGS are only they're supporting it up, and they're clearly mentioned it here, clear that 5.9 per transaction. Every money which you deposit, for every minimum deposit 100 rupees, even for 100 rupees 5.9 rupees, and if it is more than 100 rupees also, it is 5.9 rupees. Okay, and they have asked, these are my accounts, and they have asked me to deposit into this specific account. Okay, this specific account. Okay, so there you will deposit it. After you do that IMPS or NEFT, they will confirm your funds into this Wazrix account. Here it will reflect. The moment when you refresh it, it pops up into your portfolio value. I mean, not in portfolio value, in your INR value. Pardon me, in your INR value it will be shown, and you can, when you click that INR value, you will simply see your deposit details over here. Okay, this is how you add funds in Wazrix. When it comes to how to buy cryptos, this is the most user friendly, and even for an layman also it is very much user friendly. I just click BTC INR. Okay, I'll sell INR. I'll just go to buy and sell. I'll put at what price I want to buy. See the price action over here. Okay, so the recent swing low is this one, on this candle. So the low is 44 lakh somewhere 8,000, and the second low is being this is higher low I guess. So the second low is being 45 lakh 28,000. So let me say, somewhere around, let me just give it a try, 45 lakh 25,000. I'll put it 45 25,000. So I'll suppose if I put some 1 lakh 1,000 rupees, or for instance 1 lakh, the amount of Bitcoin I would get it as 0.022. If I put somewhere around 995 rupees, 0.0002. So it all depends upon how much amount you pumps up into that crypto. It is as simple. The moment when you click buy, it executes, and after it executes, you can go to your trades. Sorry, pardon me, your orders. So yeah, your my. So after this orders, buy, sell, trades, there is another thing option called my. You can go there, and this is your order book. The moment, see, it shows all your transactions. So the moment when you click this option at the lower part, all orders, it converts your BTC, because you are currently witnessing, I mean, you're currently observing your BTC. You can bookmark it on the star button. So the moment when you go to the history, listen carefully, see at what price I have purchased it on Jan 2nd. Why I have added 9,000, I'll tell you. I have bought it at 24 lakh 62,000, somewhere around 0.004. Had it been left it by now, it would have been somewhere around 0.004. Okay, if I'm not wrong, 0.004 it is, right? 0.004. Okay, at 0.004. Let me go to sell. At this price, assume that I have been selling, I'm selling it currently, current market, 0.004. So what is the price I would have got by now, guys? I have kept it at 9,800. I have bought it at 9,800 during the time on Jan 2021, Jan 2nd 2021. 9,800 I have bought it. Now if I had sold that at current market price somewhere around 46 lakh, I would have got 18 lakh, see 18,400. It would be nearly 95 to 100% returns, right? So this is how you buy cryptos in Wazrix. Now coming to trend lines. Sorry guys, Wazrix, I don't think mobile doesn't support this trend lines. I haven't used their web portion. Maybe web portion also they might have been upgraded. Recently I've seen someone saying that in websites also, I mean in web browser of Wazrix also, you can do this trend line kind of the activities in Wazrix. So you can give it a try. You can just see there. There is no spot trading and margin trading in Wazrix. Unfortunately, there is only with spot buying. That's it. There is no margin kind of facility given by Wazrix team. So you have to buy it 100%. You have to pay upfront and you have to buy it 100%. Now, how to convert coins? Sorry, unfortunately, that is not supported in Wazrix. I have never seen any option called conversion. But there is only one thing you can convert is your dust into Wazrix coins. You can select this, you can convert it. See, I will get 3.109 Wazrix, it seems. Okay, now what it shows is like now this, someone might ask again, okay, if you select and if you convert it, what are the charges? Sorry guys, there is no charges. You can simply see it here. You can convert balance with a valuation below 10 USDT to WRX once every 24 hours. It is not currently possible to convert delisted coins. Okay. You are and again when it comes to the other point, sixth point, which is real time purchase cost, go to orders. You can see your orders over here, your completed orders. You have to select your orders. So what you call Tron, I have recently added 231 quantity at 12 rupee 12 paisa, and currently it is trading around 11.1, nearly 1 rupee less, so 230 rupees loss. But still I'll just hold it up for somewhere around 500 rupees. That's the secondary thing. Now what would you prefer, BHT, USDT? Arre baba chodo idhar. So Wazrix is supporting your 100% INR deposit, unlike Binance. So you can simply deposit your INR into Wazrix. Okay. So which coin do you prefer hypothetically? That thing I guess I have already answered that. So this is about Wazrix. Okay guys. Chalo, if you this is about all the queries which I hope it has been answered. By far, with the knowledge which I have got, I try to answer you people. So if you find this video useful, and if you find it, if you like it, just hit a like button on the video in YouTube. and just share this video with your known circles so that it would help them and support us. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. And before I sign off, I just wanted to give one piece of advice. Guys, please do take care of yourself. The second wave of corona is ramping up like anything. I have lost some of my closest friends. It's very painful, the people which we love so much, and some of my relatives also. It is very much painful to lose someone. And what's more worse is that in the first part it used to hit the children, I mean the elder groups and the younger groups, very younger groups, I would say. So in the second part, now the second wave is directly targeting the younger generations, which is the core strength of India. Being an Indian, I would certainly ask you people, I would beg you people, please do use mask, sanitize yourself, keep some distance when you meet a stranger, or when you meet, for instance, for that matter, beat a non-stranger also. What's wrong in that? So come on, what's wrong in making some distance with your known people? Even if you are a working guy, just if you have that feasibility of working in your home, just give it a thought, give it a, you should actually feel yourself lucky. Right now the money doesn't cost, like I've said in my starting of my video, the next 100 years, guys, health is the only thing which you need to invest. Forget about stock investing, forget about financial investing, forget about real estate investing, forget about money kind of thing. That will be very much lesser valuable thing in going next 100 years. Health is the only thing. You need to be utmost cautious on your health. Okay, I hope I have given some value to your time. Chalo, bye bye. Signing off, your Srikanth from Team Level Forecasters. Bye bye.